Magta-try po tayo ng ampalaya today, no? Ampalaya at saka pork. So yung pork po, parang pork adobo sa puti po yata ito eh. Salt and pepper lang po yung ginamit. Tapos pinray ng konti sa coconut oil. Tapos yung ampalaya po, with egg po ito. I think this is the third day, no, na hindi na po ako kumakain ng rice. So yeah, we'll see how would this go. So as always, baseline po muna tayo ng blood sugar. Yan. 98 po yung sugar po natin, blood sugar. So kainin ko po siya, tapos balik po ako after an hour to get the blood sugar spike. One hour na po, so kuha na po tayo ng blood sugar. Ayos. 98 po yata yung start natin eh, no? So sobrang minimal po yung blood sugar spike, 106. So balik po ulit ako after an hour to get the final blood sugar reading. See ya. Second hour na po, so kuha na po tayo ng blood sugar. Bumaba pa po siya ng 1 unit, so 105 po siya yung final blood sugar reading po natin. So I'd go ahead and make a comparison, an analysis between a meal that I took na meron siyang rice versus itong meal that I took without rice, no? And then I'll upload it sa page po para we could see kung ano po talaga yung difference. So yun po. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.